This is just for anybody that's interested. MTM 2.4 kilowatt pole saw. So I've just pulled all this apart. So it's a similar chain adjuster as like the steel chainsaws. Very similar. Pulled the bar off. Both the oil holes are pretty well packed tight full of shit, so it took a little bit of going to get them blown out. When I cleaned up the cover, so it's got an oil adjuster on it. That's just on the bottom here. Oops. So just that little grub screw there. So I'd say that's all the issue was. Like, there's a fair bit of shit in here too. Just old hard packed bloody wood. So gave it all a scrape out and cleaned it with some brake cleaner. Blew them out a few times, so they're blowing through now. I'll throw it all back together, start it up, and I'll give her a bit of an adjustment and see how wet the chain comes out. So I've got it, it's flowing oil now, which is good. It's a lot tackier than the that steel eco, it's green shit I usually use. This stuff's Valvoline, where is it? Valvoline Armour. It actually seems a hell of a lot better than that steel stuff. It just seems a lot tackier, which is thicker and tackier. So we'll see how that goes. Probably just got a little bit too much oil. Which way was it? I'll try it there. So it's straight forward and back on the screwdriver groove. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Don't know when I'll use it next, but at least I've got it up and running. Yeah, very good. So yeah, probably just had that little bit too much oil. But at least the chain's all nice and coated now, so still got a fair bit of life left in it too on the actual teeth. Dogs don't look too bad either, so